Hi, this is Prableen. I am the co-founder of Knox Boots. So yesterday I went shopping with my two kids. I've got two little ones. One's 2 and another one's 10 months. We went shopping just for essentials, wipes, nappies, just a little bit of custard. And at the counter, we're standing and the bill's over $100. Has that happened to you lately? You just go shopping and, when you least expect it, when you think, oh, it's just the everyday, day-to-day things, how expensive could it really be? It is expensive. And I thought to myself that hasn't inflation gone down? That inflation is down lower than what they were expecting. And it's up to 4.1% for the whole year, which is lower than the forecasted 4.3%. The finance individual may be thinking, shouldn't this be cheaper? This should be better than what it was before. But then, no, it's not. And it can't be, is it? And why is that? It's like that because of the fact that our inflation is not the only contributing factor into the prices of goods and services in the things that we buy day to day. There's a lot more things that affect those, especially goods that come from overseas. And as somebody that is actively involved in this trade, I can tell you that the environment, whether it was during COVID times or after when we got into the Russia-Ukraine war, and now when we have the Red Sea situation, the prices are not stable and they can't be stable because there's so much geopolitical tension in the environment right now that nobody is able to commit to what is going to happen tomorrow. And when there is this level of uncertainty and speculation in the market, then do you really know what's going to happen in the future? No. My husband asked me, he's like, so why are you so frustrated about this Red Sea situation? What is it? So you would know the Red Sea situation is that the Houthi rebels in Yemen they are attacking the ships that are bound for Israel or they're connected with Israel in any way. And it's not just them that is affected, it's US that is affected as well, UK is affected, everybody is affected. These are global economies that affect our day-to-day trade with everyone in the world. So what that means for us as businesses, as individuals, it means that what was costing us $500 to get from UK before is now costing $1,000. And how do I know that? Because I pay those bills in the company. So I know that the freight prices have doubled over the last 2 months. It's unbelievable because we were having a great run with the freight last year. And we were so happy that, things are finally getting a little back to what we can call normal after COVID. But no, that has changed again. This is a crisis and it is a global crisis. Yes, the inflation has gone down. The inflation rate looks good overall, but for how long? I'm quite curious to see what comes up in next quarter's data because this one was better. Yes, but have we accounted for the effect for the Red Sea situation? The crisis? I don't think we have. So is that $100 bill gonna get any better anytime soon? I don't think so. So what can we do about it? As businesses, as individuals, what can we do? And we were discussing that as a team. And I think the biggest thing is cash flow. We need to be very conscious about what money are we spending where? Are we spending it just on our essentials, on our day-to-day apple, oranges, our pastas? Or are we spending it on luxuries that we really shouldn't be focusing on at the moment? The budgeting is very important, whether we're a business or an individual. It is all about how we budget our day-to-day. And at the same time, being open to options. Being open to the fact that if you liked your couscous from Italy, that might not be able to make it at this point in time. We have to explore other countries. We have to explore other options that are available in the market for us. Otherwise, the global economy is going to face a crisis it hasn't faced before. And that's the reality. We need to be prepared for that. So let's catch up again and talk about all of this again and more very soon. Thank you.